experiments. So today we are again going to do a very simple science experiment. Its name is the bubble into bubble experiment. Everyone can try it at home. The kids will love it. So let's start today's video. So the ingredients are, you will need soap solution, a glass of water, a spoon, a straw, a bowl of sugar. Okay friends, first is take your glass of water and add 1 tablespoon of sugar into it. You take 1 tablespoon. If you exceed that, your mixture will not be nice. Now add it to it. Now we will not need the sugar. We are using this sugar to strengthen the bubbles. Now add 2 tablespoons of soap solution. One. Now mix it well until everything dissolves. So friends, now I have dissolved it. Now keep the spoon up. Now keep your mixture here and take your 3 fingers, dip it into your mixture and then rub it on a flat surface. So now it's enough. Now take your straw and then rub this mixture on the straw also. Leave a little part, we have to blow on it. Alright guys, now dip it into the mixture and then just slowly stir it. Now keep it on the surface where you have rubbed your mixture. Now blow into the straw. Sorry guys, suddenly it popped. Again dip it and then carefully put it inside the bowl. So okay friends, I can only manage to make 4 bubbles. Okay, now let's pour this bubble. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay friends, now I am going to show another technique. So it's a surprise. Don't quit, watch the full video. So friends, the technique is you can blow it like this also. It is returning because of the wind. So friends, lots of bubbles going. Let's try it once more. Again it's going really. So okay friends, that was our video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new videos. So thank you. See you again. Bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.